Welcome to Nma Giant Village Kitchen, where every meal is giant, every recipe is made with love, and every feast brings the whole village together. Come, let's cook something unforgettable. Welcome to Nma Village. Let's start cooking. Welcome, my dear ones. Greetings, Grandma. We are here to help. It warms my heart to see you all. Today, we are cooking the biggest jollof rice our village has ever prepared. The whole village will celebrate together. Welcome back, my children. Today, we're preparing the biggest and most delicious giant village jollof rice in all of Nma Village. Grandma, our giant fresh tomatoes are ready. Beautiful. Fresh tomatoes give our jollof rice its rich color. We have onions on the list of our ingredients for richer taste and flavor. And here we have bell peppers for richer color, taste, and flavor. What is jollof rice without these ingredients? And over here we have ginger and garlic for greater taste, sweet scent, and excellent aroma. Very essential for rich jollof rice. And here comes the main ingredient, rice. We also have rich chicken stock, fresh giant chickens, cooking oil, curry, thyme, paprika, bay leaves, white pepper, butter, carrots, green peas, herbs, and all our special village seasonings. All our ingredients are ready. Let's go and cook. Yes, let's go. Oh, that is so funny. Look at these little ones. Remember that time we? Cheers to family. This is so peaceful. Ah, the feast begins. It smells so good, Grandma. Ah, it's perfect. Look at the chicken. Just as I hoped. Delicious. Perfect. The feast begins. Come, eat. Hurry up, the food is ready. Yeah, come get it. Come, eat. There is plenty for everyone. This jollof is the best I've ever tasted. To family, to community, to a bountiful harvest. Cheers. Look at my beautiful village. Today, we have eaten together, laughed together, and celebrated together. Long live Nma Village! Long live Nma Giant Village Kitchen! Thank you for sharing this giant feast with us. May your home always be filled with love, laughter, and good food. See you at the next giant feast.